Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. We are now in series 1J. Let's continue learning Kachin-Jinghpaw language in English. I'm Miss Bokraglatsglau, freelance language teacher. Thanks for joining my YouTube channel. We are going to learn the word King, the everlasting King, with this scripture. King in Kachin-Jinghpaw, Hkawhkam. The everlasting King in Kachin-Jinghpaw, htana Hkawhkam. Jeremiah chapter 10, verse 10. But the Lord is the true God. He is the living God and the everlasting King. At his wrath the earth will tremble, and the nations will not be able to endure his indignation. Yeremia laika togbashi togjishi Yehowa jomgo tengman Kasang rainga ai shigo ahkrung te htana Hkawhkam rainga ai shipot sindawng yang lamu gari nga ai shi mit katet ai phe amyu bo ni hkam luma ai. Let's learn every part of the scripture from this slide. Jeremiah chapter 10, verse 10. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Yeremia laika togbashi togjishi. 10. She. But the Lord is the true God. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Yehowa jomgo tengman Kasang rainga ai. But the Lord is. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Yehowa jomgo rainga ai. The true God. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, tengman Kasang. I'm going to read the scripture again. But the Lord is the true God. Yehowa jomgo tengman Kasang rainga ai. He is the living God and the everlasting King. Shigo ahkrung te htana Hkawhkam rainga ai. He is. Shigo, to complete the sentence, rainga ai. The living God, ahkrung Kasang. And in Kachin-Jinghpaw, te, the everlasting King. Htana Hkawhkam. Let me read the scripture again. He is the living God and the everlasting King. Shigo ahkrung te htana Hkawhkam rainga ai. At his wrath the earth will tremble. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, shipot sindawng yang lamu gari nga ai. Wrath, pot sindawng, sinpot la tet. At his wrath, she pot sindawng yang, the earth, lamuga, tremble, gri ai, ashun awam ai, kritgajong ai, will tremble, gri nga ai. I'm going to read the scripture again. At his wrath the earth will tremble. Shipot sindawng yang lumuga gari nga ai. And the nations will not be able to endure his indignations. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, shi mit katet ai phe amyu bo ni hkam luma ai. And the nations amyu bo ni will not be able to endure hkam luma ai. His indignation shi mit katet ai phe. I'm going to read the scripture again. And the nations will not be able to endure his indignations. Shi mit katet ai phe amyu bo ni hkam luma ai. Okay, let's read the scripture together and let's memorize it. Jeremiah chapter 10, verse 10. But the Lord is the true God. He is the living God and the everlasting King. At his wrath, the earth will tremble, and the nations will not be able to endure his indignation. Yeremia laika, togabashi, togajishi, Yehowa jomgo, tengman Karai Kasang ranga ai, shigo ahkrung te, htana hkawhkam ranga ai, pawt sindawng yang, lamu gari kawa nga ai, mitgatet pe, bo ni hkam luma ai. I hope you enjoyed this series. Thanks again for your kind subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel. Please do join next series. May God bless you.